Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be getting a new series today about networking. So we're going to be looking at the socket module. So here we go. Oops. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. And I'm going to need to show you one other thing that's kind of important. I'm going to show you two ways to look at this. So there is a downside to the spider development. So let's scroll back. So it only, I can't remember if it's 100 lines or 50 lines or 500. It's 500 lines. So, but if we look, this isn't everything. So this is one of the reasons why I like shell. So let's look. So import socket, then help on socket. And since about, I think 3.6, 3.7 maybe, you've gotten this alert that this is 1,500 lines. So in that documentation that we just ran in Spider, we are missing the first 1,000 lines. So I can double click this and have it expand, and then I'm able to see what all this does. Okay, so here are a ton of very awesome functions. So I want to talk about these. Well, actually, I want to show you a second way you can do this. So this is one thing that you need to be aware of. So we go to open, and so I'm just right inside Python, and it's lib. And these are all the modules in alphabetical order. So we have socket, right? Let's see, showing off my awesome alphabetical skills. So right here, socket. So I already have it open right here. This is the actual Python file, the module. Now let's talk about this for a second right here. Now I don't know which platforms this does not, but these do work in Windows. So, but these are the functions that we're going to be going over. So just a real quick video today. And of course, networking is just computers talking to each other, and we're going to learn that it's ports and sockets talking to each other, passing information back and forth. So if you have any questions, please drop them down below. Please join the Discord server. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.